Hi, my name is Cole Varell. I was just going to tell you a little bit about this computer that I built, just buying the parts separately, just because I wanted to get the best bang for my buck, so to speak. First off, I have a Intel Core i5 quad core processor. Um, it's got a clock speed of 3.4 gigahertz. So, as you can see by those specifications, it can host a lot of data, can run a lot of data on your PC at a fast rate, which is what I'm looking for. So that was just what I wanted, where point where I wanted to start, because I feel like that's the most important aspect of a computer. And the next thing I did is I found the motherboard. Uh, so to to find one that was compatible, I was able to find a Asus. It's a P8 H61. Um, uh, and it has USB 3.0 support. It's Windows 8 support ready. Very, very much exactly what I was really looking for in this for this motherboard. It's compatible with i5, which is what I had. It's capable of turbo boost technology, which I haven't tapped into yet, but will at some point. Um, Integrated graphics processor, so that's what supports HDMI. Um, so those are some key things there that you're looking for, and it's uh, has the memory standard of DDR3 2200, which has that capability. So that's something else I was looking for, is that standard of DDR3 memory, which we'll get to our next item that I added, which is my RAM. And I was able to find this on newegg.com, and it's a G Skill Value Series 8 gigabyte 240 pin DDR3, which is what I was looking for, model F3. So, it has all of that I was looking for in the memory, and it's also compatible with my motherboard, which is critical and crucial. Otherwise, it wouldn't work. And but to power all this, I needed a pretty big power supply, and so I was able to go on Best Buy, and I found an EVGA 850-watt power supply. So that was compatible and fit the box that I got also. And so that was key, because without the proper amount of power, you would not be able to run this kind of unit. So um, that's always something to keep in mind. And I was really wanting a lot of memory as well, a lot of hard drive. So I found a 1 terabyte Barracuda hard drive um, that was SATA compatible, which most things are now. It's kind of hard not to find those, but um, I did want that to be something I look for. So I was able to find that, and I found that also on the uh, newegg.com, which has a lot of different things to offer. Um, Now, as far as output from my computer, I wanted some nice speakers, a nice sound. I was able to find some uh, really nice speakers in a subwoofer. It's a Logitech Z623, and um, it was a very nice addition, I feel like, to my computer. I feel like the inside has to be one thing, but you still want to be able to produce something that you can hear and feel almost. And I think that's what this provides. And then just to finish it off, I had a wireless mouse, which gives it a little bit more of a hands-free. Well, I mean, you're using your hand, but you're cordless, which is a nice touch, and just a standard keyboard. I really didn't go all out there, but I was able to do all of that for $790, which is a little expensive for most people. But I feel like for the money I spent, it's going to be worth my money, and it's going to be beneficial in the long run, something I can keep and use for a long time. So I really think this is going to be a good build, and I'm excited to see what it'll do.